If you make a selection, all the sheet objects will be changed. All the sheet objects will be reflected based on current selection. All these will be changed. Independent of current selection, if you want to display some hard-coded values on sheet, then we should go for set analysis. For example, independent of this selection, I want to display always total sales. Independent of this selection, I want to compare some 2014 and 2015 sales. Independent of this selection, I want to display only some 2015 sales, like that. Set analysis means independent of current selection, we are taking a separate set of data and we are doing all the operations on the data. Due to that work, all these are possible. We can calculate aggregations based on non-selected data, and we can display some hard-coded values independent of current selection, and we can answer any type of business query in a very, very easy manner. Right-click, new sheet object. Set analysis syntax within curly brackets, identifier, then modifier. We need to give condition within the modifier. Here equal to within set within single quotes greater than 2006 and less than 2011. See, same here. Pattern match. Text object equal to sum of sales set analysis index. Now condition. Say here, just select this object, just type CA. These four countries are starting with CA, right? To select these four, 63507, same one, 63507. Whatever we make selections here, it will always display 63507. If you want to save a selection for future reference, we need to create bookmarks. Similarly, web page bookmark, for example, I have made some selection. I selected these countries, I selected this year. I want to save this selection for these selection sales are 1850. Remember this one. I want to save this selection for Armenia 2007 for future reference. So we need to create bookmark. Go to bookmarks tab. Now I have created a bookmark. Then after that, we may. Now I want to calculate sales for that particular bookmark. 1850. Remove that one. So sum of sales in curly bracket. I need to give bookmark name. This one. Side is like bookmark. See, 1850. Want to see a set of selection for future reference. Armenia 2007. It is calculating sales for that particular bookmark. Calculating sales based on bookmark. equal to dollar of equal to year. Click on OK. See, if you select 2010, it will display 2010. If you select 2011, 2011, 2006, 2006. And its previous year means we need to give -1. So, if you select 2007, 2007 -1. Its previous year is 2006. Current selected, this one is current selected, this one is previous one, 2007. Now, if I select 2008, country name, 2008 sales, 2007 sales and 2008 sales. If I select 2010, it should display country name and 2009 sales and 2010 sales, like that. Strike table, next, add country dimension, click on next. Set expression, set analysis syntax. Modifier, within the modifier condition. Year equal to previous year. Previous to current selected. Year equal to dollar of equal to year -1. Then one more expression, click on add. Current selected year. Sum of sales set analysis syntax within the modifier condition. Year equal to current selected. Dollar of within set we need to give dollar of equal to year. Give label as equal to year. Click on finish. See. For Bangladesh, 2009 sales and 2010. Why? Because see, here we have selected 2010. If we select 2011, 2010 sales and 2011 sales. 2007, 2006 sales and 2007 sales. Now see, everything is fine. I want to display title also dynamically. If I select 2009, it should display 2008 versus 2009 sales. If I select 2010, it should display 2009 versus 2010 sales, like that. Previous to current selected year, dollar of equal to year -1. See, we have selected 2010. It is displaying 2009 versus 2010 sales. Select 2009, 2008 versus 2009 sales.